Right, what I'm going to do here is a demonstration of the Apple II motherboard. What I've done here is that the keypad for the Apple II I've disconnected. As I've said in my notes, this doesn't always work 100%. It's one connector. I've disconnected the Apple II keyboard and I've connected the Apple II Plus keyboard, which is younger, different design, not as complicated. And just to show that this is the Apple II, there's the 1979 label and the Apple II motherboard, very good condition. And what I can do here is boot it up. At the moment, nothing on the screen. Boot it up by switching it on. And as that boots, we get the display on the screen. Now what I can do is, by typing in catalogue, we can list the contents of the disk we've got, the disk drive, and then we can run little brick out. So it loads that up off the disk. Press the space bar. There's some information about running it, and it starts. And we have a very advanced old original Apple paddle, button start, and if you're any good at these sorts of things, which I'm not, you can but you get the general gist. And that's the working Apple II motherboard.